All right, we are at the beach. This is, what's the name of this place again? Hotel Pradomar. We are here at Hotel Pradomar. I can't remember the name, I'm sorry. I'm not from here. We got a little kid watching me vlog. She can't understand what I'm saying though, so it's great. This place is cranking. It's a fiesta in the back. Waiters. We're in a little bungalow. I'll show you that later. We are suffering. This place is very wild and crazy. We're here having fun with the girls. The girls are somewhere at the beach. We don't know where they are, in the middle of Colombia. This is 15 minutes from our house. It's pretty nice. We'll show you more of the video. Check it out. Bro, look at this view. I am standing on the sickest rock pier ever. By sick, I mean cool, for those of you who don't know. Just making sure you do. But look at this crazy view of Barranquilla. So we're in between. This is actually Puerto Colombia, which is right next to Barranquilla. But dude, this is like one of the prettiest beaches we've been to. It's loud today because if you'll notice behind me, yeah, there's a ton of people, but, sorry for the wind, but it's a festival, which means today is a vacation day. Well, tomorrow's vacation day. But dude, this is like insane nice. Super, super pleasant. The weather is perfect. I mean, we're here at 12:30. Insane. People hanging out. Totally recommend this place. We're coming back with our friends. If you're coming to visit us, you're coming to visit us and we're hanging out here for show. Dude, no joke. So I had to show you this. Selfies on the beach time. Happening all the time, dude. Craziness in the house. We got selfies, we got parties. We got people looking at me like, why is he carrying the camera around? This is awesome, guys. You'd love it.
We're at the beach. It's fun.
Why are you talking like that?
Well, it's fun. And I just played in the beach. Mom said we have to do sunscreen. It's hard.
Taylor.
The beach is pretty awesome.
I just went in the water. The waves are calm. They're not like deadly. And the sand is nice. I'm building a sand pit. It's pretty fun.
Alright, the food is here. It's glorious. Take a preview.
Y nosotros comemos del... Pero mira, vamos a poner esta mesita. Acá. You have sand all over you. Need to go back in. You have sand all over your back.
Qué rico. Alright, it is now 2:30. This place is even more crowded than it was before. Coconut lady. It's more crowded than it was before. Just finished eating. You saw a little bit of that. That food was simply inspirational. You guys need to try it. Totally worth it. I can't see anything. The sun's in my face. Alright. So it is now 3:30. We're still banging out. Look at this music. People hanging out in the background. Angels talking to people. I don't even know who they are. Sun's so bright I can't see a friggin' thing. We're just hanging out, having a blast. It is awesome. We have realized after talking to people that anytime it is a festival or a break or a holiday, don't come to the beach. So word of advice for anybody who comes here, come here, it's awesome, but just stay away from holidays. Alright, we're leaving. I would say that this has been the craziest day ever, but it hasn't. It's been cool. I hope you guys liked seeing a little bit of what the beach was like here. I hope you got to enjoy some of what Barranquilla has to offer, this beautiful area. This over here, I love it. You guys would love it. Come see us. Come check out Barranquilla. It's our house. It's our home. I'm trying not to talk in Spanish, which is really hard. So, love you guys. Have an awesome day.